Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve the E-puzzle, which was developed by Henry Dudeney. And the object of the E-puzzle is that you're going to move, all the green counters. So they'll sit up there where the red counters are, and then move the red counters, so it's down here where the green counters are. And there's a couple of rules with this puzzle. You can only move your counters into an empty cell, and you're not allowed to jump another counter, and you can't put your counter on top of another counter like so. So you can only move your counter into an empty cell. And so I'll just move those off there for a second, and you can see why it's called the E-puzzle, because it's an E shape, and that puzzle is split up into cells, and then each one of those cells is either empty or it contains only one of the counters. Now, as a guide for this video, I've written the numbers from 1 through to 10 around the outside of this puzzle, and these numbers show the order that the puzzle is solved in. And also there's this little special cell here which always has an alternating colour. So if it's got a green last time, the next time it'll be red, and then next time it'll be green, back to green again. Okay, then to solve the puzzle, I'll push the green up here into this alternating, or this sort of spare cell over here on the right, and I'll move the red down and the red down to there like that, and I'll push it over here into position 1. I was green there last time, so I'll pop a red into that cell, and I'll move that up like so, and the green up to there, and then down, and I'll move the red into position 2 into that spare cell. It was red last time, so now it is green, so I'll move the green to there, red down there, red to there, and red to there. And what I'm going to do with that green is slide it straight across into position 3, and that's the final position for that green counter. Okay, so the red goes up top left like so, and then I'll push that green here into position 4, the final position for that counter. So it was green last time. This time it's going to be red, and I'll move that red straight up to there, green to there, green to there, and slide that red one straight across from the left over here to the right, and that's the final position for the red in position 5. Green goes over there like so, and the red goes around there to the final position for the red, and that's position 6. It was red last time, so this time it's going to be green. So I'll move the red down to there, the next one red to there, and that clears the space for that green to go across here to position 7, which is the final position for that green counter. Green last time, this time it's going to be red. I move the red up to there, the green up to there, and the red goes down like so, leaves a clear space for the red to move here into position number 8, and that's the final position for that red. Red there last time, this time green, and there's the red comes straight down, and I've got all my reds now in the green section, and I move that up there to position 10, and I've got all the greens up now in the red section. Okay, well that's how you solve the E puzzle. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.